I love outdoor cooking. It's probably one of my very favorite things to do. Peeling back all the layers and simplifying recipes and getting back to basics over a fire in nature with your friends. I mean, there's something really special and connected about that. Super yummy dessert, baked apples. We're going to stuff them with dates and walnuts and butter and cinnamony yumminess. And either you could wrap those in foil or cook them in a Dutch oven. Tonight we're using the Dutch oven. So first you want to have some lemon close hand, because after we core these apples, we want to sprinkle or drizzle some lemon in the apple. So core it with your paring knife by choking the paring knife very tightly and dig into the core and go around as such until you can create a good well, about yay deep to stuff it inside. So let's drizzle some lemon juice so they don't turn brown. All right, and set that aside. We're gonna use dates, take the pits out, and make sure if they have that little knobby knob at the tip, you take that out too. And then you just chop the dates as such. Just a rough chop. Some chopped walnuts. Then here we have butter, the dates, the walnuts, some sea salt, and cinnamon. So mash it all together. And then we stuff each apple with this yummy butter, date, cinnamon mixture. So you can either have a bed of coals, 14 coals on the bottom, cover it, and then have 8 coals on top, and to get approximately 350 degrees. What we're gonna do, it'll take a little bit longer, but we're gonna place our Dutch oven on the fire at a distance and add maybe a few coals on top as such. Create kind of like an oven like this. And I'll check on it in like 45 minutes. Okay, so our apples have been cooking for about 40 minutes. Perfect. Oh, it smells delicious. So yogurt. And we're gonna top with some granola. Dessert or brekkie.